So this was recommended by my cousin, who is also a lecturer, and she said it's not bad, so might as well, yeah, buy this one. Feeling ko nag-lecture ako eh. Special shout out to YT Babies, Maridesu, Ayan Vlog, and the Mommy Joyce Vargas Vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like the premiere marathon tonight. And how do you open this? Ganyan yung tsura niya. Excited ako. So it comes with Boya, and manual. What else? Warranty card. Uy, ang cute. My dead cat siya maliit. It has a small dead cat. So cute. Yan. So, this cute package. Wow! Oh my gosh. Ang cute niya. There you go. We have our Boya mic. Cute. And what's inside? In my set, lapel mic. Very cool. Oh, ang haba. It's very long. Now let's try. Cute. Oh, it's so cute. And it has some accessories. No, cute for. Okay. This one is almost the same price with MOUKEY. This is also same price. Nisingin, or this one is also 1,000 pesos. Yes, it's a lapel mic. Nakita ko kasi gumagawa yung cousin ko ng lecture. Actually, ito yung unang na-recommend niya. And it has clips, so let's try. Let's try. I'm so excited. Alright, let's try to set it up. Good evening, everyone. And today we're gonna test again my microphones. So if you have watched my previous live unboxing, I have tried to open Boya and MOUKEY. Okay, so I forgot to bring my headset. Here is MOUKEY, and we have Boya. Time to test. So I'm going to test this using an iPhone 11 Pro Max. So this is how it sounds without a microphone, with just the built-in microphone of my phone. Let's try it. Mic test. So this is a Boya lavalier microphone micro Cravigate, or a lapel mic. Mic testing. This is Boya by BY-MM1. Mic testing. This is what MOUKEY MCM1 shotgun mic sounds like. So I've just finished watching the video I took, and the winner for this one is Boya BY-MM1. It's very nice. Let me try again one more time. So upon testing our two microphones between Boya and MOUKEY, best mic for a cell phone definitely is Boya. However, the long mic, the long wire is I could go as far as here. You could still hear me, so I could extend as far as it could, and you could still hear me with the same sound quality. Over the shotgun mic, I'm gonna have to start to hold this and direct it to anywhere. So yeah, I finally decided. I bought something nice. Boya BY-MM1. So for my next live stream, maybe I'll try to live stream on my phone next time and not on my laptop. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my live stream and to the next vlog. Bye.